In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render a bookshelf. Let's move the cube up a bit to align it with the world's center, and scale it in the x-axis. We need to move the cube's origin to the 3D cursor. Ctrl+A and reset scale. Let's select the top face and press I as in India to extrude inward. E to extrude multiple times like this. For this top part, we need to press E to extrude, Enter to settle, S to scale, and E to extrude. Ctrl+R and mouse wheel to add two loop cuts and use the scale tool to relocate them evenly. We can select these faces and press E to extrude inward like this. Let's set up the render scene and apply the materials. I'll add a point light to give more realism to the final render. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned Look Dev HDRI setting. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.